That's me.
Amazing.
Sorry, I just begun the recording. It
No
was
problem, Vikram sir.
Yeah.
Manish sir, you might have to tell it again if you want the recording with your introduction.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, Vikram sir, can you go ahead?
Yeah.
Ladies first. Okay, Shingani.
Okay, yeah, Singhani.
Okay. Hi, my name is Singhani Mehra. I'm from Gurgaon. I am a tarot healer and a pranic healer. So I've been guiding, healing, and helping people through tarot and healing them with their physical body and the energy body through pranic healing.
Super.
Yes.
Yeah, super. Amazing. Jyoti Gupta, since ladies first is coming into the picture.
Hi everyone, I am Jyoti Gupta. I am a doctor by profession. I am a gynecologist and an infertility specialist. I basically am super specialized in dealing with IVF, in vitro fertilization, test tube baby,
Wow.
as you commonly call it.
Wow, nice.
Uh,
Super amazing.
yeah,
I never
and,
knew Super
that's-
50
that's
will
my
bring into people
profession.
like this.
You're professionally giving hope and inspiration to people.
Hope,
Yes,
inspiration,
that
and
is for
babies.
sure.
Yeah, and I'm very happy doing that.
Super
It's
amazing.
such a pleasure being a part of this field. And yeah, other than that, my passion is making people happy. So I'm a happiness coach. I help people lead a happy life, no matter
We
what.
all
their
want
circumstances.
it then.
That is something that everybody should, aspire for. Everybody wants to be famous. Everybody wants to be rich. But at the end of the day, what everybody needs to understand most importantly is that everybody needs to be happy. So that is the reason why I've always been inclined towards this side of mine. And yeah, that's what I intend to do.
Superb, amazing. Superb. Next,
Rita.
Rita.
Right.
Hi, Rita. How are
And
you?
yeah, Jyoti, hearing that, it's so inspiring to know that you're managing two things together, honestly, especially being a doctor, for sure, because I understand how hectic is it. My sister.
I have a
did
lovely
too.
family. All this comes, as a package. I have a
Yeah.
lovely, lovely family with me.
Support you.
Always there
Yeah.
to guide me. So yeah, I'm able to manage both fronts.
All right. So I'd been more of an IT person. My name is Rita Gopalakrishnan. I was into the corporate field for more than 15 years, but then in spite of being in IT, I would still say I was never naturally inclined towards technology. I really don't know what I was doing for so many years because I always wanted to be a trainer. So I took that big leap 2 years back. And since then, I started a venture named Reincarnate Academy, which is primarily into just soft skills training. I got certified as a soft skills trainer. And yes, business etiquette is what I really like talking about usually. So I take corporate trainings for companies, especially my IT folks, because I have a soft corner towards them. So I've been seeing a lot of struggling IT professionals who can really do well. They're able to elevate themselves in terms of their communication. So that's what I've been into, and so glad to be here with all of you.
Yeah. Amazing. Perfect. Next, who wants to go? Vikram sir.
Yeah.
No
I'm
matter what,
Vikram.
I love your background.
See, we have to leave the world behind,
Yeah. Nice. Super.
He's leading the world, by the way.
Let me announce it to you. We are going to be the Super 10. Okay, this
Yeah,
is a
feels like
secret that we know.
Nice.
This is a secret that we know today, and the rest of them will know one day. Yeah?
Nice.
Double
Already
thumbs up,
giving us
please.
pump.
Absolutely.
Superb, amazing.
So,
Happy to have you
yeah,
guys.
I mean, writing books is my passion. I have written 4 of them, and they have all been Amazon #1 bestsellers in the
Yeah.
life skills genre. And I'm also a passionate YouTuber by the name of Sip and Talk with Vikram. There's again an edutainment kind of channel. So, and of course, my bread and butter comes from my job as a CFO in a manufacturing organization.
Yeah.
So I am sitting in a deep down corner in a village in Andhra Pradesh, in a remote area.
Wow.
But yes, the digital world is opening up, and I can talk to people from Ahmedabad, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, everywhere.
Nice. Superb.
So nice to be with you, and hoping to have a great journey with you.
Amazing. Thank you so much for the pump, that Super 10, that we are going to be the Super 10. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, definitely.
Perfect. Next, Alok Verma. Hi, sir. How are you?
Good, great. Call me Alok. Sir makes me very old. So
I-
works.
Hi, Alok, your brother, tell me.
Yes, that's like this. So great. So I'm terrible at making introductions, so I will try to make a construct. So I'm a fairly failed salesperson who was in sales for 8 years, selling IT. So high five to Rita. You were doing IT. I
Relieved to
was
hear
selling
that from you, Alok. Here's another failure sitting.
Absolutely. So I've been into selling all kind of IT data center solutions, but 10 years, 11 years back, I switched to facilitation. So since then, I'm a experiential learning facilitator, mostly focusing around innovations, team building, and leadership skills. And then got an opportunity to work with great companies in this duration of 10 years, doing a lot of workshops, more than 500 and all. But yeah, I use that transformation of my life where I transitioned from being a sales, making into IT sales to facilitation, the thing which I loved. And I'm now bringing a program to help people transform in their lives, those who want to change but are stuck at some level and really want to get the path right. So I'm trying to help them. I also, I'm a little YouTuber, so I try to run a podcast versus and a YouTube program as in a weekly episode called We Transform Wednesdays, where I talk with people who have transformed in their lives, who was stories should come in front and people should know about them. So that is also ongoing parallelly from a couple of months now. So these are a few things which I do.
Amazing. Super.
Thank you.
Next, we have Rupinder Singh. Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm another one of those antiquated species who hates being called sir.
Oh,
Or-
I don't know
or even
why
a
I'm
G,
doing this
or
with
even a-
everybody. Guys, I'm really sorry. Okay.
Or even a G after my name. I think that infuriates me even more when somebody calls me Rupinder G.
Hi, Rupinder. Yo, brother, tell me, how's it going?
Okay. So I'll keep it real simple. My friends call me Rupi, and you can choose
Oh,
to
hi,
call me that also.
Yeah.
So where do I start? I started off as a computer science teacher in the very same school where I taught. I thought it was a way that I could give back to the school.
Okay.
And at that point, life told me that you've got two directions. You've either got computer or you've got education. And I stupidly chose computers. I went into things like web programming and application programming and customer relationship management, IT infrastructure management, and God knows what else management. Did not have too much success there. Developed a couple of websites and maintained them. Somewhere in 2005, I decided to try my luck with teaching. And I came into this thing in contact with something called instructional design. Now, if you ask me what instructional design is, in an interview, I can give you a really convoluted answer that is going to leave you absolutely stunned with my oracle and more specifically, the kind of synonyms that I know. But I'm not going to bore you with that. But I learned instructional design, e-learning. Somewhere in 2010, I started with classroom training. I was okay at that. And then in 2015, I joined this organization called Toastmasters.
Oh,
And
nice.
that really
Oh.
transformed. That was really the transforming part for me. because-
Toastmasters.
Yeah. That was a transforming part for me because it taught me things that I did not know about training facilitation. What I had learned in the last 5 years,
Mhm,
in 6 months, I was way ahead of what I would have learned.
mhm.
And yeah, in 2018, I got the chance to represent. I was one of the 3 people from India to represent at the World Championship of Public Speaking. I came
Whoa,
second in the semi-final.
nice.
I really think that it was more luck than it was talent. I mean that
Yes, I saw.
you have that average cousin in your house whom you always want to call out. So if you've had a fight with your wife and you want to take out your frustrations, or if you've had a bad day with your husband and you want to take out your, I'm that guy. I'm the guy you take your frustrations out on. So I like to call myself as that punching bag. And with that 125 kilo of weight that I have, I seriously think that I am cut out to be a punching bag. So one of my speeches is criticism is my comfort zone. It's the accolades that are a bigger problem for me. So that's me. Ultimately, I settled for training and I coach in public speaking. I train in communication skills. I also write content. I ghostwrite a lot of content. So that's pretty much me.
Nice. Superb. Amazing.
Very nice.
So happy to have you here, sir. Like a world champion.
Rupinder.
Sir, I'm saying.
Happy to have you here,
Oh,
Rupinder.
why am I
And by the
saying
way,
sir
just
again?
for people from the IT industry, we haven't heard sir or madam for several years, so that's
I
what
know,
it's
I
when you
know.
suddenly hear it.
No,
Just
I don't know whether I'm
people
doing
from
it
the
because
other
I'm
fields,
old now.
and do
or-
not mind if we didn't forget to call you as well, because this is a reason we haven't heard it for a good 15,
I know,
20
I
Yeah,
know.
well, that doesn't stop us from making fun of you.
Oh
Thank
yeah. You can.
You're calling me sir at your own risk. And
Arun Bharadwaj.
Yeah, hi, good evening, everyone. I have a corporate experience of 25 years, worked with organizations like L&T, Ericsson, Airtel. I was the CXO at Airtel, then decided to become an entrepreneur, burnt all the earned money in my corporate career in entrepreneurship. And now I'm a certified success coach by Jack Canfield. I'm a life coach, I'm a career coach, and
Yeah.
I'm hoping to inspire around 1 lakh people to, really achieve their potential in the next couple of years. That's my.
Amazing. Ajay Kumar.
Yeah, hello all. Good evening. Congratulations, first of all, for being here. And it's so inspiring to have 9 other leaders, and some of you are all of you are all more experienced than I am. So I think this is a great platform for me to learn from you all. And, we as a team will progress towards, becoming super speakers and inspiring the country. And I'm very confident about that. This team is going to be there. So with that, my name is Ajay, as you know. So I'm an engineer turned sales and marketing professional. I've been in the corporate, sales and business development role for past 8 years. And then last year during COVID, I lost my job. The company that I was working had to, shut down the business unit. So then I had to completely look back at life, because I started wondering what I was exactly doing. So because all the 8 years that I've really developed, because that I was thinking that as my asset, really, came down to zero. So that point in time, I had to start thinking. I joined another company, but within 6 months, it was a startup. I joined, started working very closely with the founders of the organization. But 6 months down the lane, we realized that the product was not a great fit for the market. So again, I got the pink slip. So that's when a turning point happened. It's been a couple of months down the lane, but I am currently under stealth mode, and I'm building something as a digital asset where I want to become as a digital entrepreneur. So I see that there's a good amount of gap between the current education system and the corporate world that we have today. So I think all leaders, people who already have spent like 5 years, we definitely have good amount of experience, expertise that we all have. So it's now, I think it's our responsibility after working for a couple of years to transfer that knowledge, because when we keep that knowledge without transferring, it becomes dead, right? So I take that as my goal, and I want to inspire people and share my knowledge to the world and help them grow as well while I'm also growing. So that's briefly my story. And thank you for the opportunity.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
Nice. Okay. Now comes me. Hi everybody. My name is Mushtaq. I am a simple Infosys trainer. I'm a corporate trainer at Infosys for almost 7 years now. So I've been training people on aptitude and soft skills, and with that I run my program, which is a train the trainer program. So I've trained somewhere around 1,000 trainers on how to become trainers and be better, and certified them as international coaches. I've collaborated with Conscious Solutions and SNLP that collaborates and gives you certifications for becoming trainers. So that's it. Thank you.
Now we have Ashwini Sarkar.
Hi, Ashwini.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Okay.
Ashwini, if
Ashwini,
you would
what
open your
happened
video and introduce yourself, please. We were just going through the introduction rounds.
Oh, okay. 1 second. Yeah. Just let me know once I'm. Yeah.
Oh,
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Ashwini, how are you?
Hi.
Yeah. So I'm good. Thank you. Yeah. So I'm an NLP practitioner. So I'm very, very happy to be a part of this community. And I mean, we all are winners, I suppose. It's taken a, it's a good journey we're all coming through, and wonderful to know each one of you. Thank you.
Welcome.
So
So
how
the
do we
things
go forward?
things that we are going to do today is number one, we are going to pick among ourselves a leader of the group. Number two, we've heard most of the audios today,
Yeah.
barring one or two
Okay.
maybe. So I hope everybody has got a good feedback on what needs to be done. All the videos were awesome, but I
Mm-hmm.
think a couple of places, a few seconds we have to manage, because
Yeah.
when you are uploading, yesterday Suren was telling that when you're uploading, some videos are ending abruptly. So ending abruptly means if
Mm-hmm.
you are 1 second more or 2 seconds more, obviously that sounds like an abrupt end. So
Correct.
I don't think that is going to be a cause of concern. They just wanted to ensure that what we are going to say on Clubhouse should be as per what they want.
Correct.
And that's it. I mean, we can just either speak faster, that 1 second can be managed. You don't really have to cut down on your content. And if you just speak faster, 1 or 2 seconds can be managed. In one video, there was some 7-8 seconds
Yeah.
overrun. There you may have to check your content, whether you need to do something about it. So other
Is
than
it going
that,
to be live, during the Clubhouse session, or it's
yes,
going to be
yes.
pre-recorded stuff?
No, it's going to be
It'll be
live,
live.
and we
Live,
got to have our script in our hands so that we can read it out. You don't really have to memorize it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can read it out. You have the
That kind of
script.
makes it easy.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Super easy.
No, because what happens is that when you're reading from a script versus when you're speaking impromptu, the rate of speech automatically increases when you're reading.
Yes, yes, yes. And also, I'm too bad at memorizing. On every anniversary, I forget the things I really want to say, and that puts me into trouble. So if there's something in front and you can read it, it's nothing
Yeah.
like it.
Yeah, at least Vikram sir, good thing.
As long
Yeah,
as you
sorry.
don't forget anniversaries. So
Yeah, good thing at least he's remembering the anniversary.
is that your wife in the background?
No,
Ajay?
there are subtle
Yeah,
ways of
it is.
reminding
She's-
it. So you don't have to remember that as well. There are subtle ways of reminding.
So,
Yeah,
Ajay doesn't have a choice. He has to say good things.
yeah. Have to say good things. The last 25 years were my best years.
Great.
Inspiring
I
again.
have a question to the group because I was missing a couple of catch-ups since there was some medical emergency in the house. I was assisting the family. I really don't know the structure. So I know that there is a clubhouse thing happening on 5th where people are going live. And we're talking about a video as well because Jyoti was mentioning.
Okay, so I'll just help you with that. You know, what is it that on 5th, like I think the groups are named like ABCD. I think we are the 4th. D.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
A will be something like A. So most probably our turn will come around. If you say each group takes about half an hour, 10
11
people,
o'clock?
2 minutes.
11. We'll be around 11.
11:30.
Yeah, 11-ish, but we have to be there because we really don't know. We are only making a guess. So
Yeah.
that's just the most intelligent guess we can make right now because we don't have much.
So that part, I'm sure these guys will Gyan will definitely share the timings with us.
No,
Yeah.
they are
Yeah, they
excellent
said that they would
coordinators.
share the. Sorry.
They are excellent coordinators.
When is going, they will share it for the next group.
Yeah.
That is what they've said.
I mean, so far
Yes,
it has been
yes.
so seamless.
Yes, definitely.
We really did not have to put our mind into anything. So.
Mhm.
Okay, so coming back to your question, Alok, on 5th, we are going to have this live clubhouse event. Okay, now the videos that we have, audio that we have submitted is only for them to see that we are submitting the right thing and we are not going to, feel sorry for. Okay, bhai, we picked a wrong kind of story, which is not with their, because initially they said mythology is not, allowed. Okay, now later on, yesterday he said, okay, you can talk about anything. So
What? Did he say that?
It
Yeah,
kept changing.
because-
It wasn't similar to
not yet.
Psychological stories are
because
admissible.
even
Yeah, you can
personal,
talk
I
about
remember.
Rama, you
Yeah.
can talk about Krishna
Yes,
or whoever. Like,
yes.
so
Come on, man.
yeah, so he came with that. So okay, they change the rules frequently that I have
That
observed.
alone was the drawback. Yeah.
Yeah, they change the rules
I
frequently.
have
No,
one
I think-
question. Is there
I-
anything today? I mean, do we have any tasks to be
No,
accomplished
no.
today?
We
That
had-
has been
Because, you know,
Yeah, yeah,
every
we
day
are just-
something or the other is coming up.
We
We-
are
and
just
we
I
did
actually-
discussing
have-
that what are the things to be done. So today,
Yeah,
we
so
did have it
actually
got
I missed
postponed to
out on-
September 10. So no,
Okay,
nothing
great.
today.
Thank you so much for confirming.
This is
that,
today's
because I
task. What we're
already-
doing right now.
Okay. So anyways, the 29th deadline I missed, and yesterday I submitted the audio. So I was just a bit...
I
Ashwini, I hope
I
you
did it today.
posted that picture which we downloaded yesterday. Was that done? The picture which we got yesterday on the drive which we downloaded?
no,
I haven't
no.
posted it
okay,
No
yet.
idea.
Ashwini, you must have received an email from Success
Yes.
Gyan today. Please
Mhm.
go through that email. You will be
Okay.
able to.
Oh,
will be-
the badges you're talking about, the badge?
No,
No,
it was a
No, our
poster
picture
that has
with
been-
the main trainers.
They-
you
they
know, which
gave a
we gave as a
creative-
gift.
they
Yeah,
gave a
that's the
creative.
badge. That's what they call.
Yeah, you
so
can
I-
just post it. If you've done it already, it's fine. Today, yes, sir.
Okay. So mine was not there actually. So I had to ask them to publish because probably
Okay.
I was not there in the meeting yesterday. So I
Mhm.
think that's the reason they missed out on me.
But you check your mail once because you might just
Check
find
your
it
mail.
here.
It will be there. It will be there.
We've got a mail separately today.
Oh,
Yeah.
separate.
I mean, we got it in the morning.
Yeah, and usually the mail ends up in some other inbox. So just be careful. Just
Yeah,
search for Success Gyan.
All
Yeah,
right,
because
all
that's
right.
a mass email, so the mailbox is recognized as semi-phishing or something. So
Okay, I see.
Got to
Okay,
look
thank you
out
so
for it.
much. Yeah, I'll check once again. But anyways, I did receive the badge. Yeah.
yeah. So on 5th, we are going to have the live event. We'll be called tribe-wise. So when we will be called, we should know that who goes first, who goes second. So among ourselves, we are going to decide upon that. And that's it. So one by one, we will be, maybe they'll give us more clarity when they have it, whether they have got the names listed out. And they'll give us this clarity of who comes first. Or they will give an introduction as well. So maybe at some point of time, they will ask us whether we have a roll call decided among ourselves, or maybe they will assign it. So we should have our script ready with us and we can read it out. That's it. That's the September 5th event.
Okay.
Then you have all the time to make your video, provided again the rules don't change or doesn't get preponed or anything, because it seems like a big gap of 25 days. So
But should we decide already of the numbers that who wants to go first and second to be ready?
yeah,
I think
Yeah,
we
let's
should.
do that.
I think we should get clarity on September 3. Are they going to?
They are
decide
going
or
to do
will
that.
they
I believe
decide?
that is what he said.
There is another meeting lined up, right?
I
Coming.
think
September
they
3.
will tell
Yes,
the team
yes.
leaders to
yeah,
come up
there
with
is a
that.
meeting lined up. So either they will tell us on September 3rd or we will decide it. Maybe. Or
So if
or-
we choose a leader today, then if in case those guys don't tell us, then the leader can decide the order. It doesn't really matter who goes first, who goes
Yeah.
last.
yeah, it hardly matters. Yeah.
Or you could give Deepa a call in the morning and just ask her. She'll let you know.
You
Yeah.
have a number, Rupi, because she has not
She's
given her number.
in the group. She's in the group.
Acha, okay.
Is there- So
Yeah.
another question which is connected. So what has been the objective of this group? As in, one, we have to decide the order. Another, we have to kind of decide something to say as well together as a group, or is it an individual talk which we'll give for 2 minutes?
I think right now the priority is to decide who's going to lead this group, who's going to speak on
And
it.
a helper to the leader.
And
Leader and
the
helper, yeah,
main-
these are the only two things which they have said.
President and vice
The main
president.
reason is so that the whole clubhouse event goes very smoothly and the team leaders can make sure that all the 10 people are there at the event. So that there's no confusion, because they cannot look at who is the 250 there, not there, and all of that. So if they give the team leader the job, the team leader does the job. So that's why the whole thing, this
I
is
guess,
why
yeah.
this.
Because in Clubhouse, you have to bring
Absolutely.
people on the stage. So the team
Yeah.
leader will ensure that his team is on the stage when the turn comes. I guess that's what the
Yeah.
agenda is.
Absolutely.
Great. Our group's name is Dynamite.
Okay, Ashwini, our group's name is Dynamite. Dynamite.
Yeah, dynamite.
Yeah, you can unmute and talk, Ashwini. No need to type on a chat. You can unmute and talk. Feel
She
free.
has
Sorry.
the bandwidth is low actually. So
Okay, maybe. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Ashwini, you might want to
So-
turn off your video.
I did.
Uh,
Are you still able to see me?
And of
Okay.
course, on 30th,
So
we
for
have
the
to
14 of us, for the
on
14
30th,
of
we
us,
have to
as you
upload
said-
the video. So that's I think the finale for Super 100. And from there, as it goes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a question, because you said 14 of us are there in the group. Is that the
no, there are 10 of
No,
us.
Three
three
are
are the
good group
moderators from
admin.
Success Gyan.
Yeah.
Three are moderators from Success Gyan, and they are not actively involved except for
Okay.
probably monitoring what is going on. That's all. They are silently monitoring what is going on, how much
Okay.
each group is doing. So they will have some. And our group has got one up. We've got 11.
Yeah, we have 11.
11 members.
So, so we can say we are going to be Super 11 then, not Super
Yeah.
10.
So in the super, so you said we have alphabetically given names, right? So A, B, C. That's how it is. So that's why I asked
We are
for the
guessing
11
it.
of
We are
us. Is
guessing
there?
it. We don't
That's a
know.
conjecture.
We
That's a
don't know.
conjecture.
That is
Yeah.
just a guess, because that's how
Okay.
people do it. So that's just a guess.
Mm.
All right, got it.
Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta would have been very.
More like going for a war.
There will be a little tricky situation for me actually. I am traveling on 4th evening and via train. Now by 11:30, I will be probably still in train. So though I'll be listening to the clubhouse things, speaking up from there is a bit tricky. So I was in fact thinking to write down what is her name?
Suren.
Deepa.
Suren.
Deepa, that if she can place me a little later in the day, because I'm sure I'll be landing by 12. After that, I can manage maybe in the car or somewhere. So that's the
Okay,
thing.
you should write to her ASAP so that you're not missed out anywhere.
Yeah, because either they will place you somewhere later, or they'll probably take the whole tribe and
Yeah, maybe
do it
they'll take the whole
later
tribe
part.
at that point.
Place later, right?
So yeah, you should
Because,
write to
I-
mail.
We are there with you. We are there with you, Alok. We are there with you.
Yes.
Right. Because I know they're not opening up the cards of time slots right now because they're for a very specific reason. If we tell everybody when they are going to get their turn, people won't be in the event for the full day.
They won't be.
And
That's
they
Yeah,
want
also
yeah,
there.
yes,
Yes,
yeah.
they would want everyone to be there through the whole
Yes.
day. That's
So
I went to attend my son's this roll of honor ceremony in school. And as soon as their child got the certificate and everything, the parents walked away.
yeah, it's a common
And-
theme in school.
Apna
Yeah,
ho gaya.
that's something, it's not good,
Nice. Yeah.
because when the first child was being received on the stage, everybody was cheering. And
Yeah.
imagine
My-
somebody whose
my
name
son-
starts with a V like a Vikram, and there are hardly 5 people sitting around. So-
My son's school is smarter. They deliberately held the kids back. You're not going
Yeah.
anywhere.
And that's
what
how they
we've
should.
done, even in my
Ah.
Okay, now so vote for the leader. Any volunteer who wants to come forward to be the leader?
I can tell you one who doesn't want to come forward.
Same here. Even
I'm
I'm,
with you, Rupin.
I'm not.
Me too. For
Even
now.
I'm not keen.
So
Yeah.
Vikram, would you want to go ahead then? Or-
IMC, all you guys have something to do with IT or computers and this stuff. And I'm a doctor. I'm highly technologically challenged. So
No,
don't count
Jyoti,
me.
that's not
The
it's
IT
not
guys
easy
have
to
been
hold yourself
targeted by
back. Trust
Jyoti.
me, I told you 15 years and I still feel technically challenged.
I believe me, I'm one of those people. Technology is still a challenge for me.
Yeah.
Doctors have this problem. This is a very common problem with us.
Yeah.
All that we do all day is write on a piece of paper. So digital system technology is something we really are struggling to deal with even now.
I've had
So yes,
classmates
even
like
I'm
you.
out of that.
I have classmates like
Huh?
you who say that I'm mera kuch nahi hone wala, and then they end up getting 99.
No, see,
Yeah.
I'm not
They
saying
are the
that.
ones who cry, मेरा एक number कहाँ चला गया?
Believe me, I was one of those people in school. I am not that person at all now, but yeah, लड़कियां जैसी होती हैं स्कूल में, I was this kind of a person in school. But
Sharma
what
ji,
I'm saying is
thank-
technology is not something that I'm very good at. So yes, of course I am out of that.
So then that's
Either.
like new challenge for you to take up, right?
Okay. Okay. If you're not good at it, if you're not good at it, just share your
I
credit
am
card
dealing
number.
with
We'll
it.
take care of the rest.
So yeah.
But Jyoti, initially I also was like you, but I finally ended up again in IT. So it's possible.
Even you, Ashwini. So we have many people telling the same story there.
I have two brothers. Both of them are engineers, very well placed, IIT pass outs, and they always laugh at me and say कि जो लोग नहीं पढ़ते हैं, those people who have no knowledge of computer science end up being doctors. So you're one of those people who could not understand this, and so you had no other way to go. You ended up being a medical student.
I have
So
a
yeah,
I
that's
have
how
a
it was.
18-year-old. I have a 18-year-old. He's absolutely fed up of me. कि आपको इस बुढ़ापे में Instagram सीखना है.
Even Instagram, I've recently learned that from my sister-in-law. She helped. She's young and helped me with all that stuff.
I have no idea
Like,
why
this
it is
is
such a
something-
success. I have no idea why Instagram is such a success. I mean, it is such a
I'll
limiting
do
platform.
I'll do some tech help here. What I'll do now, I'm just putting a link which is slido.com. You go there and put a code 841101 and then write the name of the leader who you think should be the leader. And let's see, it's a word cloud, so it will be fun. And let's see who gets.
Yeah, Alok, listen, there are hardly any volunteers as of now. So there's no
I
point
have
doing
an
a polling
idea.
and all that. Let's just decide if there is only one person, then there's no problem at all. If there
Yeah,
are two
if
people, then
if the
we
entire
can
team is
choose.
okay with, then let's go with that.
Yeah, so I
Yeah.
have an idea, everybody. So this is how we do it when we actually go out for, like my company and all that stuff. So what they do is first tell me people who don't want to be leaders. Raise their hands, please. Okay.
We've already done that, many of us.
Okay, so there are 4 people. Okay, so that's
Me too.
Rupinder,
Me too.
Alok, Ashwini, and Arun and Jyoti. Okay, so we can have 2 deciders, like people who can decide. So I'll only pick them. Rupinder and Jyoti can decide who can be the leader and who wants to be the leader here
Okay, I'll volunteer.
for the
Vikram?
leader. Okay, Vikram says he
And
wants
also
to be the
there
leader.
has to be a helper to the leader. So two
Correct.
people.
So we'll decide that
Yeah.
in the second.
Okay, all
round,
right, all
okay?
right.
So the first round is the leader. Who wants to participate in that? Vikram, Ajay, interested?
No. Let Vikram sir lead.
Nani,
Yeah.
interested?
Yes, I am, but I'm okay with Vikram leading.
You can be confident about saying yes, no problem.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
super okay
So,
with it, but then
Singhani,
I don't have a problem with Vikram.
I will
Ashwini is
volunteer
going to
myself
drop
for the
off,
helper,
guys.
but not for the leader. So Vikram and Singhani, we have 2 contenders. Rita, are you there? Do you want to
No.
be a leader?
No.
Okay. So Singhani and Vikram will be the participants. Now what you guys can do is one by one. Vikram cannot vote for himself and Singhani cannot vote for herself. So you guys have to vote to each other. The rest people can vote, and one person, if there is a tie, Rupinder and Jyoti will actually decide who's the leader. So everybody can vote. So I would go with
Who has the Zoom account? Who's the host here?
Me.
Vikram sir.
Why don't you create a poll?
Yeah, we can directly do it, no, Sarji?
No,
In the Zoom
just now, I think Alok created something,
Yeah,
right?
Alok has just done. Maybe you can put the
Hey,
name.
there aren't too many people. No, let's
There are
That's
hardly
why
few
directly
people.
give it to
let's
him.
type it in the chat box and get done with it. Why
I
create
am
a-
saying Vikram.
I am also with Vikram.
You anyways have to vote for Vikram. You cannot vote for yourself.
Vikram, you look like a leader. Yeah. Come on,
Singhani ने ही
let's
हाथ
go.
खड़े कर दिया, मैं भी विक्रम फिर.
Vikram for me also.
All right.
ये विक्रम.
Vikram, V for Vikram.
Background
Vikram it
which is
is.
work-
Fine.
Vikram, your
For
background is
Vikram,
working
V
for
for
a global
Vikram,
leader.
is
Huh?
not Vikram.
Thank
Hi,
you,
Vikram.
and I'll try my best to be worthy of your trust.
You are, don't worry,
Come.
sir. You've already put the world behind, so we trust you.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
We'll have a
I think
Mann
it
Ki
is-
Baat from you also.
It is the background only, na world leader type की feeling आ रही है.
Arre. No, actually, I do a lot of YouTubing, so I use different backgrounds for different
Nice,
ways.
superb, amazing.
Become a habit.
Next, for the helper, please. Who wants to be the nominator for the helper? I am nominating myself for the helper. Anybody else who wants to be the helper?
I, Rupinder Singh, nominate Singhani for the helper.
Singhani.
Oh my
Me too.
Somebody needs to second it.
Singhani.
I nominate
I
Singhani.
second it for
Okay,
Singhani.
Singhani is the helper then.
Singhani.
Yeah.
No, I think I would go for Mushtaq.
Thank you so much,
Singhani,
sir.
no
will be a
offense to you.
My vote is also for Mushtaq.
No, okay, tie.
Oh,
I wish I
can't
could
vote
have
for
opened the
myself,
camera
no?
and give you a lot of thank yous. But anyways, Singhani, we have the majority saying Singhani. So Singhani, congratulations, and Vikram, congratulations. Let's make sure that yeah, Rupinder sir is all in Josh, like CT Maro. Super.
But I didn't say
Okay,
Ajini,
virtual
audio
handshake.
missing.
Singhani virtual handshake.
there can be two helpers.
mask
Reality
लगा लो
is,
पहले.
right?
We can have two helpers as well. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
okay.
So Mushtaq can also pitch in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay, we are all helping each other. So, I mean, it's just a formality. It
So,
doesn't
guys,
really
for
matter
the
who's
names
leading.
to be
I
given,
think-
for the names to
Yeah.
be given, we'll have Vikram sir and Singhani. For the names to be given to the Success Gyan team. But anyways, we'll help each other. Like the way sir said, we are all helping each other. That's I believe Rupinder sir can actually come in and give a little bit of communication download for everybody. Since he's gone to the world stage, he can give us a little tips and tricks and stuff like that. Which
मैं
can
क्या करने वाला हूँ?
With respect
Okay,
to-
hang on.
respect to what?
I'm sorry.
Hang on. So
You know?
I'm glad you don't know my wife. So she'll tell you कि अगर इसको कोई responsibility दे रहे हो पूरा समझा दो इसको. Otherwise I'll start making my own assumptions.
Okay, nice, sir.
मैंने क्या
I
करना
am just
बताओ
saying
पहले.
if you can give a download on a normal, like generalized basis, ki what should we all keep in mind in order to talk better even on a clubhouse event and even normally.
Okay,
That will
okay,
help.
okay. Yeah, that I
Because
can.
you've gone to that level. That's why I need your download.
Yeah. Sure.
Rupinder,
I
have
can
you?
immediately
Yes.
tell Jyoti not to have that light at the back of her head. It should be on her face because that kind of, it's
Rupinder,
not a
have you
halo.
posted your 2 minutes audio clip? Because that
I
should
did.
also make a
I
lot of
did.
sense. You did?
I did, yeah.
All right.
I
thanks.
did.
But then the clubhouse event, of course, is going to be just audio, right? So we don't have to worry about the lighting.
You want, okay, that 2-minute video clip.
2 minutes.
Audio.
That we have to
No.
give till
What
September,
he's
na?
what he's telling that when you are going to record your 2-minute video, make sure the light is not behind you.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, you want the light on your face. Ideally, it should be at a 45-degree angle when it is shining upon you. Second thing you want to watch out is for your rate of speech. Everyone has a different rate of speech. Usually it is 100 to 150 words. If it is more than 150 words, you need to slow down because people will not be able to comprehend unless you're trying to be a stand-up comedian. So stand-up comedians, they speak really fast. Now, the way you measure your rate of speech is you read text aloud, and you take 80% of that speech. That is actually your rate of speech. And that will tell you how many words you want to have in your speeches.
And how to bring in the energy when we are talking, and any hacks on that, sir?
Well, one thing that I always encourage people to do is to look into the camera when you are talking. And it's not easy because we have this habit of looking into the screen. We are not habitual of looking into the camera. So one thing that I do is that I write "look here" and I paste it right next to my camera.
So much you told, and Ajay's like got it like perfectly. Learned himself.
And I also, so one feedback I often receive is that I don't smile much when I'm speaking. So I write "look here" and smile right next to my camera.
Nice.
So what?
Awesome.
Okay, now for stick notes, Rupinder, what I do is I have downloaded a teleprompter app. So when I am recording a video, the script will roll on the teleprompter app at a desired speed that you can manage. And you can see it right on your screen while you are recording with a front camera. So I have uploaded links of my videos, and you can see those that it will appear as if I'm looking into the camera, but actually I am reading my script as well.
Are you recording on your laptop itself or on your mobile?
On my mobile. On my
So
mobile.
you're using your mobile, but using this app.
Using his mobile.
Yes, on the face of my mobile, my script is scrolling. So I
The advantage with the mobile is that it's about this much screen.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
you can
anywhere you look
exactly
on the
see
anywhere you look on the mobile, it will come across
That's
as
true,
if you're
that's
looking
true.
into
Yeah.
the camera. When
Yeah.
you're recording on a laptop, it becomes a challenge because that's a bigger screen. So
The
you're
eyes
actually,
just tend to move.
yes.
Yeah, and the thing is, there's this floating option, so the text will actually float, where you want to, size it on the screen. So if you want to place it just close to the, camera, you can do so.
Would you
So there
name
will not be
that
much of a.
Vinder,
Sorry.
sir, the
Could you
question
please
was
name
in
that app
on-
again? Whatever you said, Vikram. What was the name of that?
I don't remember the name. I'll post it in the group.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll help.
Vinder, sir, I said audio. Audio पे कैसे energy लाने का?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just to answer Rita's question, so you can, just a suggestion, you can try Nano Teleprompter. I'll just type it in
I was
the,
looking out for that. All right, teleprompter.
Okay. For audio, what I will suggest is, what I do, I'll tell you this. You've seen Kapil Sharma do this a lot.
Okay.
So Kapil Sharma has characters.
Correct.
Okay, so he has this Lala something, who's a very good character.
Correct.
Right. Then he has this Inspector Shamsher Singh, who's actually a haughty character, who's like, if he really wants to assert himself. So what I typically do is that I have defined characters. I have I have an angry Rupinder. Okay, I have a sad Rupinder, which is usually what I am. I have a happy Rupinder. I have a comedic Rupinder, that sort of a thing. What you want to do is you want to practice a character every day, so that you kind of become that character. And when you want to transition, because every character will have its own vocal variety, its own stage movement, right? So when you want to be sad, you just shift into your sad character. A lot of people will tell you vocal variety is about, pitch, timbre, and volume and rate of speech and a lot of things. Those are technical details. Just define characters and then simply slip into that character. And that will really help.
Super.
And another thing that worked for me for my audio was that I have a very sort of coarse voice, not very pleasant to listen to. So what I did, I sat in a closed room so that I am not conscious about whoever is listening to me, and that helped me. When I want to modulate, you can sit in a closed room and you can modulate.
Nice.
Yeah.
Super.
I would add one thing, Mustaq, for your point about the energy. And I learned that when I was in the BPO industry, that when you really want to
that's where you learn this.
that you really want to add energy to the audio, you stand up and talk. You don't sit. The moment you stand up, it will change. And I normally, when I was, if you have noticed my audio today, it was just a very short one because I just came to know that I missed the deadline on 29th when I got a call from Deepa, and then I just recorded it quickly. But I was standing up and I was having all the hand movements about when I was talking about the giraffe, and then how do they place them on the table, because when I do that, it comes as
a get a better flow. Yeah.
Yeah, natural flow.
See, it's like this. How are people listening to you? You will say that they use their ears, but it's not always the ear. It's how many senses are you engaging. So I had the distinct fortune of listening to this person who had climbed Mount Everest. Okay. And she's describing what it is to be there. And the experience that she described literally transformed me there. And when she said that it is bone chilling cold, I actually shivered. So how are they listening to you? Are they listening to you only with their ears? They're going to switch off. But if they can listen to you with their eyes, if they can listen to you with their feelings, if you are smelling a flower and they can recreate that smell for you, that is what you're trying for. Now, this person was telling us about a crevice in the mountain, right? It's a 50 feet wide crevice. And there is a bridge. That bridge has formed with ice. Okay, water froze over and there is a bridge. Now it is slippery. It is also at places it's just 2 feet wide. And you look on either side, it's a 50 feet drop. And you can actually see dead bodies down there because people have fallen off, people have died. Some of them have died agonizing deaths because nobody goes to rescue them, because the effort required to rescue them will end up taking more lives. So there are people down there. You can see the dead bodies also while you're crossing them. And it's a 50 feet walk. Usually you would do it inside a minute. it takes 1 to 1.5 hours to cross that bridge. Now I am telling you what I heard. If you had heard her say what, the way she was speaking, and she was not speaking very good English, by the way.
Yeah. I
She
have
was
heard of.
just, and I was shuddering sitting in my seat. I was there because I was not listening with my ears. I was imagining that.
वो conviction आ जाता है ना सर जी.
Ethos, logos, pathos कहते हैं हम इसको. That is the
बोलते हैं?
pathos. Ethos, logos, pathos. Ethos is you, logos is your subject, pathos is the audience, the passion that you bring in. Every successful speech needs to have more than 60% pathos. This is the reason why we listen to our prime minister. Our political convictions aside, the man is a crowd puller. He speaks with passion. Your speech needs to have more than 60% passion. If you can bring that passion in your speech, you can create that atmosphere. That is what you're looking to do with your speech. Once you do that,
Brilliant point put across.
Brilliant
Rupinder.
point,
Thank
yeah.
you. Thank you. Very enlightening. Very enlightening.
most
No
welcome.
matter no wonder you went there.
No, that was pure luck. I still say that was pure luck.
Opportunity met luck.
I literally looked at the chief judge and I said, "What the hell were you thinking? What is wrong with you?"
But we all know that luck is a result of constant efforts.
No, no.
At least I believe so.
I have been lucky on many occasions. I will tell you, it's with effort. Yeah, honestly. I mean, things just went my way at times, and I'm eternally thankful for that.
Okay, so after this audio round on 5th, then we will start with our video recording, because we'll get some feedback on 5th. Maybe somebody will say change your story, or maybe my story is being narrated by 10 other people, so I feel that you can change your story. Okay, I hope you are all clear with that.
Yes.
So if 10 other people are telling my story and I feel that okay, I might take another one, so like that we'll have a lot of feedback. So one thing is that we should try to be there for entire 12 hours so that we know what quality others are delivering, and we have to better that in our video, because as Suren said, that 10% is getting counted on 5th and 90% gets counted for the video.
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
So we have a fair chance of redoing the whole thing.
Look, what I'll tell you from my experience is that if somebody tells you to change your speech, and if you really believe in your speech, do not change your speech.
Yeah, don't.
Because nobody is going to tell that story better than you can. Okay.
True.
I've
What I'm saying is
I got
just in case somebody thinks, okay, there is a better story that has come across. Like, I'll tell you what, I was working on some other story, but then this Maria story came through Olympics suddenly, that she auctioned her medal and saved a child. So I changed my story then and there, because
that motivation came from you within.
Yeah. Nobody's telling you to change anything.
So here is the thing. Shingani comes and tells me that, Rupinder, I think that that speech was better than this speech. What I will say is that be the judge of your own speech. That way you can own the success. You can also own the failure. Right? Because I don't want to go yelling at Shingani, you told me to change the speech and I changed the speech.
No, we are not going to do that. We are not going to do that ever. Nobody is judging nobody. And yeah, that's it. But the only thing I think today also, when we all listen to each other's audio, the only thing we were trying to say is that, try to bring it into that 2-minute slot. So there is no.
Just stick to that word limit, guys. Just figure out your rate of speech per minute, kitna bol raha, and then multiply it by 2. That is the maximum number of words you want. Because remember, you can always go slow. When you speed up, you're going to stumble on.
When you speed up, then you make more mistakes.
Yeah. Unless you're a stand-up comedian.
And for the video, you know, you can also edit it and make it faster and all that.
हाँ
You
वो
have
सब कर सकते हो आप.
वो आप कर
पता
सकते
नहीं
हैं.
वो अलाउड है कि नहीं, बट
नहीं वो अलाउड है, वो अलाउड है. You can do that.
वो पता नहीं चलेगा सर जी कि तो आपने किया है कि नहीं किया, पता नहीं चलेगा.
पता चल जाता है. अगर एक वीडियो एडिटर होगा वो बता देगा.
हाँ, जो जिसको एडिट मालूम है वो
जो
बता
एडिटिंग
देगा.
कर रहा है ना वो बता देगा.
बट
कहीं ना
वीडियो
कहीं
में
आपका
पोस्ट
lip sync-
प्रोडक्शन कर सकते हैं.
कहीं ना कहीं
हाँ,
आपका
वीडियो में
लिप
आप
सिंक मैच करेगा. They'll get to know.
In fact, I remember somebody asked Suren in one of the sessions that how much can we edit? Can we show stock videos and all? He said, whatever you do, you should be visible throughout speaking. Now, everything else is acceptable. You should not cut off completely and a stock video comes and your voiceover happens. So that is not acceptable in the video. Rest, everything is, I think, fine.
Yeah.
Do your touch.
Yep.
Guys, anything else? Sir,
Yeah, I have a question. Sorry.
1 minute. I have a doubt here. You are telling that the stock video should come as a picture in picture.
Yes.
Or you
Yeah.
go in picture in picture, both ways, but you should be.
You should be visible throughout. Is it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's a valid point that I have got to learn today.
Ajay,
Yeah.
question?
Yeah, sorry, I missed the track of the chat loop. So, have we decided that we are going to do a pre-trial trial version of Clubhouse, like the previous day or something like that?
Yeah,
we
when
should.
are we ready to do that?
What is
Most
that?
probably on a weekend.
It's a dry run, Alok, just trying to do exactly what
We
we've
create a
done.
private room and then we
Yeah.
do it all with
Maybe
nice.
tomorrow itself, the earlier.
No, I think we should do it on 4th after the feedback comes in on 3rd. So 4th should be okay.
Yeah.
No, the event is on 5th. So, okay. On 3rd, they're going to give us
अब
feedback.
fourth को
Not really.
speech-
See, third, they're just going to come back only if it's not acceptable.
Yeah,
We're
so
not
there
going to
could
give
be
us
some
feedback.
possibilities about some people's story.
Uh-huh.
We don't know as yet. So they may have to change their story. So that's why I'm saying you have to wait
Uh-huh.
for the feedback to come in.
Okay.
No, but
do it
Anu,
on
we are
4th
just
as
The
we were
acceptance
just
or
planning
not
to
is going
do
to
it.
come by tomorrow. The acceptance or not
Yes,
is going
tomorrow.
to come by tomorrow.
Yeah.
You're saying
No,
it's
but then
supposed to
the
come by tomorrow,
clubhouse
Vikram?
point that was
Yeah, yeah.
discussed in the
Yes,
group.
yes, Wednesday.
अगर Wednesday तक
I'll be
आपको
very
mail नहीं
surprised.
आया है, आपका वीडियो थ्रू हो गया.
I'll be
Yeah,
very
that's what
surprised.
Suren told.
I'll be very surprised listening to 250 audio samples, and I'll be very surprised.
No, but
Yeah, that's what he
I
said.
think
He
it's
said
not
Wednesday.
one guy doing it. I think they
It's a
have
team.
whole
I
team.
think it's not one person because they have a big team.
I get it.
So
Yes,
most probably
Shingani.
the 3 moderators that are there in our group, maybe Deepa being common, maybe the other 2 will be listening to 10 videos. So,
That is possible.
Could be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
that's
2
true.
moderators listening to 10 videos is possible. I mean,
उनका
10
मतलब
audios is
बहुत ही सिंपल क्राइटेरिया होगा. 2 मिनट के अंदर खत्म हो रहा है कि नहीं,
हाँ, एनर्जी है कि नहीं,
Any major
क्लैरिटी आ रही है कि नहीं,
concerns.
मेनली उसमें ही है बस. ठीक है वो तो.
नानी,
So
आप-
should we fix on Thursday then, if it works for everyone?
Thursday 9
Thursday,
9:30
September
9
4th,
o'clock
we
के
can
बाद.
go ahead and do.
Thursday.
Thursday, guys, 4th, is it okay with everybody?
Thursday.
Both I think is too much.
Fourth, I feel it's too late. Just
too late,
see
yeah.
when-
Yeah, that's what
I
I'm
have
saying.
a point. I
Fourth
have
is-
a point. Listen.
बोलो.
See, the whole idea जो हमने ये discuss किया था कि हम clubhouse पे एक private room बनाते हैं, it is just to practice how it feels कि हम जब वहां
Yeah,
जाके बोलेंगे. हमारी
exactly.
स्टोरी के लिए अगर कोई फीडबैक आता भी है सक्सेस ज्ञान से, we will obviously work on it. But then the
Yes,
whole
yes.
idea was to go there and
And
just
get a
try
feel of
one
it.
कि
Yeah,
वो
that is
get a
more
feel कैसा
important.
होगा.
Exactly.
So we can do it in the next 1 or 2 days. Fourth will be like too late, just a day before the event. मतलब,
So that is exactly what I was saying. That 4th is going to
Yeah.
be too late.
yeah.
Yeah.
If
So,
somebody comes and tells
Let
me
it be
4th को
either
change
tomorrow
करो,
or day after. Tomorrow or
yeah.
day after.
I think Thursday would be right because tomorrow we will get the reviews, so we'll have the feedback, and if we are all sure that the whatever story that we have sent is fine, then on Thursday we can finalize and go ahead with the.
Yeah, Thursday sounds good. Yeah.
Thursday
Thursday is
sounds
good.
good.
All
9:30
in
रख
for
लेना.
Thursday.
So 9:30.
9:30 रख लेना बस.
9:30 is good.
Because, again, I'll be busy till 9 o'clock on Thursday.
Done. 9:30, 9 o'clock. Next, anybody has a point or anything else, sir? Vikram, sir, you want to say something?
Nothing. We are done.
Any-
So we
Yeah.
are
So just
connecting
before
on-
we close, I haven't still uploaded the audio for you guys to listen. I'll do it shortly.
Yeah, even I
yeah.
have not
Okay.
done that. I'm a little
So I look forward to,
And,
I'm
one more point,
listening.
everybody, please follow each other on Clubhouse.
I
I
think
followed
we
8
should-
people. I got 4 follow backs. So
I
just,
think we should follow each other on Instagram also, if it can
Yeah, we
help.
will.
them.
yes,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
should do.
Instagram or other social media channels.
We can do that. We can do that. Put your links, and yes, we can do
So
that.
let us also put our Insta links and follow each other.
But Clubhouse will have the Insta link, na?
Yes.
Sir, थोड़े लोगों ने
profile.
किया है, थोड़े लोगों ने नहीं किया है.
Some people have not updated their bio on
Let's put it
Clubhouse.
in the WhatsApp chat only.
Yeah, let's put it in the WhatsApp.
Okay, okay, cool.
Superb.
All right.
Anything
All
else?
right.
Or should we wrap things up, guys?
We'll wrap it up for today.
Perfect. Thank you so
Yes.
much,
Bye-bye.
Vikram.
Thank you.
See you,
Good night.
everyone.
And
Yes.
congratulations,
Rab
Vikram
rakha.
and Singhani. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Tata.
Bye.
हमें राही
Bye-bye.
प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.
Good
Take
night.
care. Bye bye. See ya.
Rab rakha.
Bye-bye. See ya. Good
Bye-bye.
night.